What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Like let's say back on internet video. For today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to install Tik application using Tutubox.io right here. The last video that I actually made the certificates was actually not signed, so I'm doing another video to when the certificates are actually already signed and you guys can be able to download it. So the first thing that we're going to have to do is literally delete Tutubox and show you step by step how to actually download and install Tutubox. I'll actually leave the link for Tutubox. The first link in the description will actually be the link for Tutubox, and the second one will actually be for appvalley. So let's go ahead and actually start with the first link that I'll actually leave in the description, which will be the link for Tutubox. So when you click on that link, it will actually take you to a page where there will be an ad, and after an ad, you will actually come to this page. So after you come to this page, all you have to do is literally click on install, and it's going to take you to another page for an ad, and delete it and click on install again. And after clicking on install, you have a pop-up that is actually saying install. So you are going to click again on install, and the Tutubox is actually already going to start installing on your iOS device. So as you guys are able to see right here, Tutubox is actually installing on my iOS device, and you are also going to install an app from appvalley. So let's go back to our browser and literally search for appvalley right here. The second link in the description will actually be the appvalley, and that's the one we'll be using to actually install other app. So I'm going to download Odyssey right here. So I'm just going to click on get, go back to Odyssey and click on get again. So I'm going to go to this page and click again on get, and I'm going to wait. So here's the pop-up that is actually telling me to install Odyssey right away. So I'm going to click on install Odyssey, and Odyssey is going to start installing on my iOS device right away. So Tutubox is actually done downloading right now. So all you have to do is literally go to your settings, go to general, scroll down until you see profile and device management. Here's the certificate that you have to sign here. So just click on it and click on verify. I've already verified this certificate, as you're able to see that Spotify Plus and Tutubox are the app that I've already verified. So I'm going to go back to Tutubox, and literally to show you guys that it's actually working, I'm going to try to download any other app that is actually on Tutubox right here. So we're going to try Delta, the emulator. We're going to be trying to download Delta, the emulator. So just click on get, and it's going to give you again a pop-up, and click on install right now. And Tutubox is already going to start installing Delta on your iOS device right away. So let me just go back, and you are able to see that Delta is now installing on my iOS device, and you're also able to see that Odyssey was actually being able to install. Try again later. So Odyssey wasn't able to install, but Delta is actually able to install. So we are also going to try to download Delta, and you guys are actually able to see that Delta is actually the one that is actually working with Tutubox, and appvalley is actually not working. So let me go ahead and try to download another app from appvalley to see which one is actually working for appvalley. So let's go ahead and download TikTok plus and see which app is actually working for appvalley. So appvalley to TikTok plus, click on get, go back, click on get again, a pop-up, click on install. It's going to start installing. You go back to your browser to actually see if it's actually going to install. So here is Odyssey. Odyssey actually failed to download or to install on my iOS device. So I'm just going to delete it and wait for TikTok plus to actually install. So guys, some app that I'm trying to download from appvalley are not actually being installed. So the only app that is actually showing currently is Tutubox. So go ahead and install Tutubox and download some third-party application like Spotify Plus, which is currently here, and Delta, which are now working. Odyssey and TikTok plus are not working because I downloaded them from appvalley. And if this video was actually helpful to you, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like the video, and don't forget to share it. And I'll see you guys when I see you guys in the next one.